Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has appealed people to support BJP and NPF, keeping in mind to save Manipur and decision to protect indigenous population. Chief Minister N. Biren, accompanied by his wife Nongthombam Hiainu, casted their votes at 2/16 Sirvand Higher Secondary School polling station at Luang Sangbam Mamang Lekai at 9 this morning. Responding to media, the Chief Minister declared that he casted his vote for BJP candidate Thangnaujam Basantakumar. The Chief Minister appealed to people to make choice of their own, however, to keep in mind BJP government's decision to save Manipur and protect indigenous population. He further appealed to the people to make both BJP and NPF represent from Manipur in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's third term.
Manipuri miyam da ina appeal tawning basi mayam punamaksu isa ki aningba pambagi matungina vote adabiu tawbudabu Bharatiya Janata Party na kasi Manipur ki duraba tanja sida lauraiba fireb Manipur ki miyam gi jamka lepa iba fireb Manipur kai danaba amade indigenous people si kannanaba fireb habak singa se puningba thambirerga Bharatiya Janata Party ki amade sigi outer dana NDA ki alliance hoiba NPF ta animal vote pibiraga full majority the honorable prime minister Modi ji ahum subata mohinda ba saudi view hai de ma'am